To reheat a cheeseburger. First, let the burger rest at room temperature for at least 10 minutes. Next, separate the burger contents onto a flat surface into different piles: the buns, burger patty, toppings, and condiments. If you are using a microwave, place the patty on a microwave-safe dish and heat on low for 1 to 2 minutes or until warm. Then, wrap the buns in a slightly damp paper towel and heat them at 30 to 50% power for 60 seconds. Finally, reassemble your burger and enjoy. To reheat your burger on the stovetop, place your patty in the center of a pan. Add half cups, 120 milliliters of water, or enough to create a thin layer to the bottom of a pan. Cover with a lid and let it steam on medium-high heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the lid, then add the slice of cheese and let that melt, about 30 to 60 seconds. Remove the patty from the stovetop and transfer it to a paper towel-lined plate to cool for 30 seconds. Reassemble the burger and enjoy.